Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello friend, as shown in the figure, we have to find total surface area of solid brass knob. Total surface area we have to calculate. Of the brass knob. Area can be obtained by rotating the lines as marked 1, 2, 3 and 4 about the x-axis as shown in figure, as shown above. You should follow the figure I am showing you. You have to rotate this line, this line, this line, this line having the center at C1, this curve having the center at C2, this having the curve center at C3, and this line having the C4. So all these are to be rotated about the x-axis. Now we are forming the table for calculation of length of the line and centroid. Line, length in inch, centroid in inch we are measuring, then their product, centroid into length inch ka square. First, length is 0.5 inch, centroid is 0.25 and product is 0.1250 inch square. Second one is circular arc, so its length is pi by 2r, that is 0.75, that is 1.1781. Its centroid already I have marked there. Its coordinate is 0.1775 and product is 1.1516. Third is again a length, circular arc pi by 2, 0.75, 1.1781, centroid, product of both 0.910 fourth, 0.5, 0.25 and their product 0.1250. Summation of centroid into length, summation of product of centroid and length will be 2.3117 inch square. So total surface area of the knob 2 pi summation of product of centroid and its length, that is 2.3117 inch square. So area you will get 14.52 inch square. That's all for it. Thanks for watching.